Got a spreadsheet? You got an app. Here's a wild one for you. Okay. You can connect it to Glide. I will put the website down in the description, not an affiliate link at all. And you can map it, charge it for access, one file, one app, one stream of income. Here are the 5 business ideas. I did write these down. Okay. Watch party locator. Sorry, I typed them. I'm not an expert. I'm not a boomer. Watch party locator, sponsor slots, right? You can crowdsource maps for bars, big games, different things. Monetized by $25 to $99 a month. Beer beer branded banner, $250. Build it fast, import sheet, view map, submit form, featured badge. Easy enough, right? You could do snow day help board, especially with winter approaching for some places. You could do that. Easy charge, right? Go to the gym programmer or gym to go programmer, program builder. Excuse me. Package could start at $7 a month, whatever. I'm just here to give you the ideas. You figure out the process, all right? Micro merchant menu hub. Local makers post weekly menus for pickup only. So cookies, tamales. I got a friend on Facebook that does meal prepping, not meal prepping. Meal prepping could be one, but does tamales. He makes some bomb tamales. I need to order some. That just kind of made me think of it. Uh, but you could make it like a weekly thing. Um, and then the last one, event kit rental exchange, where you can rent different systems. Yeah, whatever you want to do. But comment, like, subscribe. I don't know what else to say or do, but day 2 of business ideas.